Hey everybody. Today I am going to attempt to do this painting but on a round. I love this swipe that I did. I love everything about it, the color, the flow, everything. So I'm going to try and recreate that on my round. And I also want to update you on this. I want to say it was titled, it was something, Lovin' This Prussian Blue, I think. And I'm not real thrilled how it dried. I'm thinking that it must have been, even though I measured where I put it, or leveled it, must have been tilted down. Because all of these cells, like, went that way. And you can see the flow of it. So I'm really undecided about this one. I really liked it when I did it, and I loved the differences, but now that it's dry and I'm touching it and looking at it, it just doesn't seem to work very well for me. So feel free to give your opinion. But I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that one. I'm wondering maybe had it dried more evenly without having been tilted, I would have liked it more. But I do not know. I'm going to shake my light up. Loving my gallon jug. So we've got this going for my white Dutch boy with Floetrol and water. And I'm going to use Artist Loft Lemon Yellow, Grumbacher Prussian Blue, Artist Loft Vermilion, and then a self-made mint, self-mixed mint with silicone in there. And all my paints are mixed with Floetrol and water. Give them a good shake. I know they should be stirred, not shaken, but tough. I'm taking shortcuts. So I do have videos on how I mix my paint. So if you have any questions about paint mixing, check out those videos. And then if you still have questions, go ahead and shout them out to me. But those videos will tell you how I mix my paint, which is very proximate. And then I'm sure there's other good stuff in there. Hang on. Got some dried paint in the lid. That's not good. I'm just cleaning out this lid real fast. All right. Oh, and this is a 15, or no, it's not, an 18-inch, half-inch thick MDF that a teacher at work cuts for me. And I have the back taped up. I didn't always do that, but it sure left me a lot of work after the fact with not having taped it. And so I prime it with gesso. This is what I use. Just Liquitex gesso. And so I just, all I'm using is one coat and then I'm sanding it. And you got to make careful to sand these edges because otherwise they're quite rough after gessoing. And I just resined my first one of these. But unfortunately I can't show it to you because it is back under in my resin coffin because a small area of it resisted. Most likely due to silicone, even though I washed it. But I always resin these rounds. And I've got a couple up on my Etsy site, which is linked in the details if you're interested. So I'm just touching up the sides. This is the boring part, but it's a necessity. Make sure it's covered in an even layer. But yes, it is quite dull to watch. I wish you guys could tell me stories. I could mix them up that I would imagine you guys would tell me. Oh, we're almost that last bit. We're on the home stretch. Okay. I guess I should have put this on the Lazy Susan. Okay. Looks good. Put my lid back on my white. And torch all these bubbles out of here. I always find it so cool how you can just see them evaporate. I wonder which order I poured those in yesterday. I do not remember. So I'll just make up my own way. Well, I guess it's mine anyway. Now for the blue. And the lid does not want to come off. There we go. Alrighty. So let's start. Such a pretty swipe. That one I would have liked to have carried further, but I'm not going to go back in and try and remake it longer because that could just ruin it. So it'll just be like it is. And now for the other side. It's just seeing how much paint was on there. Very cool. Very cool indeed. I don't know if, I think it's the colors. I don't know if I would love this as much. There is like no paint on there though, right there. There we go. Let's see if there's bold spots. There are some. Check this out. Look at that. So dang cool. Oh my gosh. Super excited. Way cool. So this one has more paint on it than the other one. The other one's a little lighter looking. This has a much heavier line. The other one wasn't as noticeable. I'm just gonna see if there's I'm just making sure there's not too much paint that's gonna go somewhere. I'm hoping this is level. It should be level. filling in some bald spots. Trying to measure. There we go. See if I can get you. Look at that. Very neat. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will catch you next time. Bye.